here there is a blame game and there is some misunderstanding. At least Luizinho Faleiro did not take action. See, my job as a president of the party to work for the party organization. After the elections, it is the legislature party who is supreme. And I can tell you, whatever reason there was a delay, because they were waiting. This was a waiting game. Somehow the public outrage is that Congress did not take action. Now, the cat is out of the bag. Mr. Digvijay, who had an interview the other day, openly said it is not correct. We didn't approach Goa Forward. We were there on 11th night, on 12th night. Our Congress Vice President, because today he is the topmost leader, had already spoken to the Goa Forward. And we were expecting them to come. Their only condition was Luizinho Faleiro, and Luizinho Faleiro is not the one. I have sacrificed all along my life for the party. This is not the first time. You must be knowing earlier times also. I formed the government and made Rani the Chief Minister. And there is nothing for me. For me, the greatest satisfaction is I brought this organization, I toil hard, I work hard. 2 years were torturous years in my entire political life. And the greatest satisfaction I am having is the faith I had in the people of Goa and faith in the organization. And I can't have more reward than this. To be Chief Minister is not my reward. On that Prudent, Vijay Sardesai said, the best Chief Minister is Parrikar, and I'll support him. This was 3 days before the counting. Parrikar said in the interview, which is seen all over the country and all over the world, I did not go to the Goa Forward. Goa Forward came to me. Vijay Sardesai came to me 3 days before the elections and pledged his total support to be the Chief Minister. So there was a pre-poll alliance. They had already pledged their support to the BJP. Why blame poor me?
I have been at the receiving end from many corners of Goa, even from my supporters. Sometimes even people have had reservations even within my family, my party. So people close to me also have had reservations for the type of political decision that I took to bring Manohar Parrikar back as Chief Minister of Goa. Now those people must have expected me that I should have supported a Congress government. I said that I supported Manohar Parrikar, 1, for stability, 2, for central support, 3, for taking forward our cause of Goinkarpa. And we called this government, and we will slowly call this government a Goinkarvadi Sarkar. Once decisions are taken in for the benefit of Goinkar and Goinkarpa. Now, the Congress, was it to get my support, could have formed the government. But the Congress party has proven that they couldn't hold their flock together for 24 hours after the confidence vote. So what about giving stability for 5 years? It is that stability is a mirage, it is a dream. It will never come true. The Congress was not in a position to give stability. This has been proven, and my stand of supporting the Manohar Parrikar-led BJP government has been vindicated by the actions of the Congress party, even of its allies. One ally has voted on the floor of the house for the BJP. So where would you have given stability? You would have, governments would have fallen every week, and the government would have gone into president's rule. we would have been ruled from Delhi. At least we have a Goinkar like Manohar Parrikar ruling here, and nobody has to be scared about this. कोणेच भिवपाची गरज ना. आमी आहात, आमी गोंयकार, आनी तोय गोंयकार.